Hey beautiful people, it's Rakita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys the new credit builder loan with Kickoff. I made a video already showing you some of the details, but I'm actually going to go ahead and get the loan, and it's going to be added to my credit reports. I really don't want to have new accounts added to my credit reports. I don't want that dip, but I'm going to still go ahead and apply for this loan so that you guys can see how the process actually works. So make sure you guys sign up for kickoff.com. If you guys know about Self, I taught you guys about Self before. That's when I paid $48 per month and for 12 months, and they reported to the credit bureaus for me. All three credit bureaus. That's another thing about them. Self reports to all three credit bureaus, but they reported to all three credit bureaus. And since I was with them, I was with them for years. Since I've been with them, my credit scores went up over 155 points. So I told you guys about Self. I had you guys sign up for Self. This is just like another installment account that you guys can get added, and all you have to do is pay $10 per month, and you don't have any fees at all. You just pay the $10 per month. You pay it for 12 months. After the 12 months, they're going to go ahead and give you your money back. So let's go ahead and click right here on Build More Credit. Now, you're going to be paying at $10 per month for 12 months. And again, you're going to have zero fees, zero interest. So all the money that you're saving, you're going to get back at the end of your loan. So let's go ahead and click Continue. So we basically saving money for the future. In 12 months, we'll have the money. We'll build payment history. They're going to report to Equifax and Experian only. They're not reporting to TransUnion. That's why I still tell people to get this Self account. Don't think, oh, let me just get Kickoff. I'm going to be fine with Kickoff. They're not reporting to TransUnion. And for me, TransUnion is my lowest credit score. So I will want companies to definitely report to TransUnion because I want my credit score higher. So keep that in mind, you guys. You can do the Kickoff, but don't think you shouldn't do that Self at all. But they were going to report to Equifax and Experian. And this is going to be an installment loan on your credit report, not a credit card. This is installment loan is kind of like a student loan, card payment, something where you have a set amount of payments for a set amount. That's what installment payment is. And let's go ahead and click Continue. Now they tell us we have to upgrade our account. And then we got to go ahead and activate this loan. So let's go ahead and click right here and get started. Okay, so since I like this a lot. Since I already have $20 in my account, what they're saying is they can go ahead and credit me for those 10 months, and I just have to purchase 2 more additional months, which would be $4. Let's go ahead and accept that offer. I like that. So I'm going to get the year for $6, they're saying. So it's going to renew at $2 per month. It's going to renew on the 28th of next year. And you can cancel at any time. So let's go ahead and click Continue. So let's go ahead and read over this. So we needed 3 months of service. We already had 9 months. So it's not technically 10 months. It's 9 months. So it's going to be free. We need 3 months. So we're paying $6. Our new account balance would be $24. Our new utilization would be 5%. Our next payment is going to be $2.40. So when it comes down to your payments, you're going to pay $10 or 10% of your statement balance. It depends on what it is. So I got to pay 10% because 2% will only be a $20 balance, and my balance is $24. So I have to pay $2.40. And here's my repayment schedule if you guys want to see. So it looks like on the 25th of every month, they're going to take out different amounts. So they're going to take out $2.40 next month on the 25th, then $2.16. And then they're just going to basically take out $2 per month all the way up until next year on the 25th. They're going to take out $1.44. Okay. So let's go ahead and confirm this purchase. Okay, perfect. So I have the credit service for 24 months. So that's good. Next. So now I have to activate the credit builder loan. So now we're going to open up that credit builder loan. We're going to make our monthly payments, $10 per month, and then we're going to unlock our savings after the 12 months. So let's go ahead and click continue. Now I'll be saving $120 total. The total loan amount, they're basically loaning me $120, and then I have to go ahead and pay them back $10 per month. After I pay them back for 12 months, then they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Make sure you guys read the credit builder loan agreements. Make sure you guys read that and click confirm and open the account. Okay, perfect. So let's get started. Link your bank account to make your monthly payments. I do not want to pay that 50-cent fee, you guys, but I don't want to link my bank account. Okay, use my card instead for 50 cents extra. Okay, so I'm going to pay $10.50 every month, and they're going to report to Equifax and Experian that I have this $120 loan. So I want to confirm the payment details. So let's go ahead and confirm that. My payment method has been saved. So what's next? We'll send your monthly payment reminders before your due date. Successful on-time payments will help us build our credit history. So that's good. Now we always signed up. Let's go ahead and see what our new account looked like. So this is our credit builder loan. $120 remaining balance on here. $10 per month. They're going to go ahead and charge us on the 28th. So we're going to pay $10.50 basically. I can pay it now. Matter of fact, let me pay it now because let's see what it's going to do. Let's get it out the way. Okay, so they took the money out. I can't pay my next payment until March 1st. But look at this, you guys. I already have $10 in savings. Yay, yay. So that's good. So I'm going to pay my next payment March 1st. And I'm not going to pay any fees at all other than that 50 cents because I want to use my debit card. If you guys want to link your bank account and save that 50 cents, I really suggest it. I might just go back and link my bank account because I want to save that 50 cents. But that's all you really got to do, you guys. And you can see your loan agreement right here if you guys want to go ahead and review it. How do we rate our experience? I think it was a really good experience, you guys. So let's go ahead and send our feedback. Now, don't forget, I still think that you guys should sign up for Self because with the Self account, they're reporting to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. This new kickoff account, yeah, you guys, they're reporting a loan. You pay $10 per month, but they're only reporting it to Equifax and Experian. So it's really good, you guys. I just want you guys to remember to still get that Self because Kickoff is not going to report to the TransUnion, and you really want them to report. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop your questions down below in the comments. If you guys want to make your video, make sure you drop that down in the comments also. And I'll be going live tonight. If you guys are watching this the day I'm making it, I'm going live tonight. I go live every Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be on time. I'll be there. Make sure you guys are on time. And we have different subjects. If you guys know of a subject you want me to talk about during a live, you can also drop that here too. But I'll see you guys tonight, and I'll see you guys in the next video.